In this tutorial, we'll cover how to duplicate objects and use the copy-paste feature effectively. There are multiple ways to duplicate an object. One way is by selecting it and clicking on the duplicate button in the toolbar. By default, the duplicated object will be positioned to the right of the original one. However, title objects are an exception and will be duplicated beneath the original. This method works the same way for multiple selected or grouped objects. Another method is using keyboard shortcuts. For Windows, press Ctrl+C to copy the selected object or objects, and then Ctrl+V to paste it. For Macs, use Command+C to copy and Command+V to paste. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+D for Windows or Command+D for Macs to directly duplicate the object. A useful feature is the ability to choose where the pasted object will go. After copying the objects, you can place it at the desired location by deselecting any objects, which can be done by clicking a free space on the board, and then moving your cursor to the position you want to place the object. Finally, press the Paste shortcut key, and it will appear at the cursor's position. You can also copy data from external sources, such as text, into a sticky note. Or an image from a website. Simply copy the content and paste it onto the board using the keyboard shortcut. The pasted item will appear at the location of your cursor if no objects are selected. If objects are selected, it will be placed to the right of them, giving you complete control over positioning. This method works equally well with container cells. Simply hover over the container cell and use the Paste shortcut key. The object will be pasted into the cell at the cursor position and attached to that container cell. We hope this demonstration of copy-paste and object duplication has been helpful in understanding its flexibility and usability.